You all know that India is a land of festivals. Among all of them, Diwali is most favorite day. Now, I am going to focus on your topic Diwali. Take a look. This is about Diwali, which is one of the most popular festival throughout India. It is called the Festival of Lights. It is celebrated by the Hindus. They believe that on this day, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after living in the jungles for 14 years.
After Ravan stole Sita away, Ram, Lakshman and Hanuman vowed to get her back. They fought Ravan and his army bravely and successfully set Sita free. As the courageous warriors returned to Ayodhya with Sita, the entire city welcomed them with millions of diyas, fireworks and celebration. And that is why we celebrate Diwali with lights and fireworks.
On this day, people decorate their houses with candles and lights. They wear new clothes.
पापा के दिए नए कपड़े पहन के हो गए वो तैयार.
Children light crackers and fireworks.
दिवाली.
They eat lots of sweets.
दिवाली पे मिलने वाली मिठाइयाँ सबको बहुत पसंद है.
On Diwali, people worship Goddess Lakshmi and pray for wealth and prosperity for the whole year.
Thank you.